this one adding for the 2. Now remaining 1, 5 and 10, 15 and 16, 6 here. Now 4, 2, 6 and 7 is carry on 8. So very easy to calculate for the cube of the any products. So this is a very important trick, you must be practice and you will be fine. Okay, some question will be asking for the formula how many digit are in the square root of if you are given. So if they are the number of digit is even, odd and even. If odd, then just plus 1 divided by 2, this is a 4 digit square roots, and if their number is even, then simple will divide by 2. So you will find it many, I think if you find question they are asking about tricking, if you have to remember, otherwise you will be calculate to find out a square root, then you will be describe how many value will be. This is a trick to know, understand how many digits will be occur for any square roots. Okay, and for the 5 multiplication, they are very basic funda. Suppose if you are given for the in the last digit, unit digit is 5, simple way you calculate 25 greater than simple way, and one just multiply by a into a plus 1. Suppose I will take for the 5, we are written for 5, but 0 is the, we are multiply by 0, and this one 0 is 0 already, but a into this a into this one 25, and when one multiply this one, automatically there will be 0. Okay, so if the 15 just 5 is 25, and we will take in the formula a means 1, a plus, this is a plus, not this one plus. Okay, a plus and 1 2 2 to 4. If you are there simple 25, then we are multiply, what is this, we are written for 12, multiply 12 plus 13. So if we 12 3 ja 36, then the 6 and remaining is the 3, 12 1 ja, and 3 is the 15. So this is the answer. Okay, very easy to calculate for the unit digit 5. Now maximum question they are asking for this type of question. Given find out the value of the x, what is the value of x, and and the same way just starting, this is a practice. If they are the, if any given they are the under root x plus under root x plus under root x dot dot infinity, means so many times. Okay, so if they are given x, so what is the factor of x? If their factor is m into m plus 1, so if they are positive, then the value is higher one, m plus 1. If the value is negative, the value is lower one, only m. Suppose one example we will be take. Many expression, if they are given in the expression under root 6 plus under root 6 plus under root 6. So just take for the factor 6 is 2 into 3. So higher is the 3. So our answer is the 3, because they are the plus sign. If they are the minus sign, under root 6 minus under root 6 minus under root, so what is the higher value? 2 and 3. But we are answer is 2, because for the minus value we are taking the lower value, for the plus value we are taking for the higher value of the factor. So very easy to calculate. Same way, if they are given the under root x, under root x, under root x, so your answer is x. Okay, suppose they are given 6 under root 6 under root 6, what is the value of this expression? This is the x. If they are the in n times, under root x is the n times. If the limited, this is the formula x a power 2 के power n minus 1 divided by 2. Suppose if they are given under root 7 about 3 times. Okay, so what is the 7? Just simple written 7 power 2 के power 3 minus 1 to 8. It means answer is 7 के power 7 by 8, or written in simple way under root 7 power 7 is 8. So this is your formula. Okay, you must be know most important question, maximum competition. There are similar question they are asking, only change they are the digit. Okay, and some index and this serve how to calculate. Just you know, if they are the p ke power m, q ke p ke power n, it's mean p ke power m plus 1. Suppose if they are given 2 ke power 4 multiplied 2 ke power 3 is equal to, the formula is 2 ke power 4 plus 3. Okay, means 2 ke power 4 3 7. this is the your formula. Now go for the pk power n. If pk power m or n, so it's mean pk power m into n. Suppose if same way 2k power 4, if they are given 3, it means 2 is to 4 into 3 means 2k power 12. If they are given p by q k power n is equal to p, suppose 2k divided by 3 is equal to 6, it's mean 2k power 6 divided by 3k power 6. So simple way you will be calculate. Okay, pk point. If they are given pk power minus n, then 1 by, or it means if they are given 2k power minus 5, it means just 1 divided by 2k power 5. You must be know for this type of. Okay, if pk power m and pk power n is equal to pk power m minus 1, suppose 2k power 7 divided by 2k power 5, you can retain 2k power 7 minus 5 means 2k power 2 means 4. Answer. So simple, they are written pk power m upon pk power n. If they are the given the pk power pqk power n, so pk power n and qk power n. Suppose 6k power 4, it's mean 3 is equal to k power 4, it's mean 2k power 4 and 3k power 4 multiplication. So you can retain. So just understand, if any value is power is 0, it means 0. Suppose if 2k power 0 means 1, 100k power 0 means 1. So you know, as you know, just if they are the if any written, suppose if not written, then the square roots, because it means they are written 2. If they are something written, so just divide by 2. Similar way how to calculate, if under root p, so similar multiply, similar how to square root, so same follow after this square roots. This is the power rule, this is square roots. Okay, this is important. If suppose this one 3 and written 5, okay, power 6. Okay, so how you will be written? This one written by 5 power 1 by 3 power 6, and this one written by 5 6 by 3, 3 2 just 6 means 5 square 25. So just how to calculate, just see. Okay, so this formula, this all things will be find in the equation to express, to change in the simple way. So just do practice, and one calculation how to calculate for this one, how to make a simplification. If many competition, they are taking this, if any given the number in the complicated, suppose they are given the 89 599.88 divided by 30, then so don't waste time for calculation in the exact value. Okay, just go make your own equation. Suppose if 89 they are given, we are written for the 90. Okay, suppose this one, suppose 90. If 8599.88, it meant I will written for 600. ठीक, so just what we will do, 89. So as you know, in the last video you will find what is the, if any equation, how to calculate V BODMAS, means first will be vacuum, means bar will be, then any boundary या तो bar of division and multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. This is the follow this route. Okay, so I will retain for the year no bar, so I will just 90, we written for the 90 calculation. Simple we will be calculate. First will be go for the division, so I will go for the first division of just written multiplication, then division. I written for 600 divided by 4, just calculation, then multiplication, then again then last in addition. So answer this one. So just here don't be waste time to retain 89 exact value. If it is 89%, it means 90%. If they are written for the 599.88, it means they are the 600. So calculate in the many examinations they will take, because many students they are the going for the exact value. So if you are going there to taking so much time for the calculation, make a very easy calculation, because if we have one, now what happened, 89, we are written for 90. So simplification, then this one is very complicated, so I will take for the 600 because very easily to calculate. So this is a funda for the taking for the how to save your time within the examination, how to quickly solve your any equation for this of the very difficult. So just do the practice and solve the many different question, and just search on the Google and find the how many times they are asking for the question, and just I will distribute some question paper, just go and solve all. Thank you so much.